name is Linda Johnson. I grew up in upstate New York, where I first started to cook at the age of 10. I then moved to Texas, where I enjoyed comfort foods such as barbecue and brisket. When I lived in Northern California, I found the bright, fresh flavors of food. In Georgia is where Southern food is its finest, is what I found. Then I moved to the Outer Banks, North Carolina, on Hatteras Island. I learned seafood dishes served in coastal communities. Now I live in Albemarle, North Carolina, and I invite you to my kitchen. Okay, everyone, welcome back to From My Kitchen to Your Kitchen. My name is Linda Johnson, and I'll be your host today. So today we are going to make what I call a grilled shrimp packet. It's going to be done on the grill, of course. I started recording this once and I didn't have any sound, so you're going to have to forgive me. I took 2 potatoes, cut them up in little cubes. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm using andouille sausage, which I cut up in bite-sized pieces. I have used kielbasa. I've also used turkey sausage. So there's a lot of different kinds you can use. Now this recipe, I first started eating it when we were in the Outer Banks, because a lot of seafood places will prepare it for you. You just go pick it up and they've got it all done, and you take it home and spread it out for everyone to enjoy. So it's a quick and easy meal. It's going to be on the grill only approximately 25 to 30 minutes and at 450 degrees. You can cook it in the oven too at 425, but I prefer it on the grill. It just seems so much better. So let's go ahead and put it together. So we're going to go ahead and cut up some butter. We're just going to put a few pieces of butter in there. We'll be putting some more on top of it in a minute. It's best to use unsalted butter. And the only reason I say that is because the sausage usually is pretty salty. We start building it up. We're going to add a few potatoes on each packet. Like that. This is really so easy to make. I don't have it too often, but I only am using a half of a kielbasa, andouille sausage is what I've got here. I'm only using half of one because a whole one would be way too much for us. But it is so good. Take it off the grill. Easy. I actually had everything here. I didn't even have to buy anything. Oh, I did buy one thing. Usually I use frozen corn, but I use just those little ones. And I cut it in half, put them in there. But this, I just found out that Walmart sells Green Giant corn cob bites. And this is perfect for this meal. So we're going to go ahead and add our shrimp. It says to use, I don't know, maybe 2.5 pounds or something, but I'm just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I had made enough for each of us to have 6 shrimp. Kind of trying to watch what we eat, but this, I'll tell you, it's probably not the healthiest thing there is because of the sausage. That's the only reason. Okay. Let me wash my hands. I'll be right back. Now we're going to add Some of these little corn cob bites. I knew that. I figured that probably wouldn't come apart too easy. I'll try. Maybe I can reseal it. That is nice. Just nice size. Just gonna put maybe for this size packet. I'll give my husband 3, and I'll take 2. This is butter with salt and pepper on it, the corn. I don't think it comes any other way. I'm not sure. Now we're going to go ahead and add a few more pats of butter because we don't want it to stick too much to the aluminum foil. Okay. We are going to add some pepper. Some Old Bay seasoning. This is where the seafood part comes in, really. And I like a lot of Old Bay. And we're just going to add a little bit of parsley. That's it. It's all together now. So what you want to do is just make little foil packets. And it's been so hot lately, you wouldn't want to do this on the grill. I mean, in the oven. Just put it out there and forget about it, really. For 25, I'd say about 25 minutes. I think that's about what we've been doing with that. It's basically just going to steam in there. The shrimp has already been thawed. It won't take long for that to cook. I'm telling you, you'll really enjoy it if you have never made it before. It's easy. If you have company, you can do a bunch of these little packets. Everybody in the house. And we'll put these on a cookie sheet to carry it out. That's pretty much it. That's dinner. So I will go ahead now and put them on the grill, and then we'll come back when they're done and see what they look like. See you in a minute. Okay, so they've been on the grill for 30 minutes. We're going to see what they look like, and it's probably going to be really hot for me to open it, but we'll try our best. Pretty hot. If you want to eat it when it's hot, so we'll see. Whoop, I think I'm going to cut it with a pair of scissors. Sometimes we eat it right out of the foil, but you wouldn't be able to see it that well if I did that. What I think I'm going to do is dump this one so I don't kill myself. Put it on the plate. Still left some good stuff in there. I think you get the gist of it. It's going to be really good. So that's what it looks like. That's your shrimp boil, what I call a shrimp boil. Shrimp, potatoes, corn, and sausage. Easy peasy. So I hope you try it because it's really good. It's very easy to make. You probably even have most of the stuff, especially now that it's corn on the cob season. You can buy fresh corn and cut it up and put it on here. So um, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the show. It was quick, easy, and um, I hope you make it. Let me know if you do. Go to my Facebook page, From My Kitchen to Your Kitchen. So we'll be back next week with something different. And I hope you make cooking fun because it is fun. Doesn't always have to be a chore. So we'll see you next week on From My Kitchen to Your Kitchen. Bye.